大家好，欢迎来到我的 YouTube 频道。Have you ever noticed these two sticks people used to eat in Asian countries? They are called chopsticks. It's a great part of the Asian culture, especially in China. Let's dive into the world of the chopsticks and see how they bring history, culture, and good food all in one.
Chopsticks History 筷子的历史
Chopsticks have been found around for 5,000 years before. At first, people used it to stir and grab in hot food from the pots, but they didn't use it to eat. Then for the last 3,500 years ago, especially in the Shang dynasty, it became a regular tool to eating at the table. In China, it is a lot about showing respect and being polite, and a big part of this comes from an old philosopher called Confucius, who lived a long time ago. Confucius thought it was essential to behave well in everything, even at the dining table. So he believed that knives, forks are weapons more than the eating instruments. So he allowed no knives, no forks at the table.
Chopsticks in Chinese 中文中的筷子
The Chinese term for chopsticks is called 筷子, which means quick bamboos, and at the same time has a meaning chop chop or quickly in English.
Chopsticks material 筷子的材料
The material of the chopsticks have evolved over the years, but many are still made out of bamboo. Bamboo chopsticks are a popular choice because the availability, and bamboo chopsticks are easy to hold and eco-friendly. And as time progressed, chopsticks have been made using different materials like wood, metal, and plastic. And also some chopsticks are adorned with some beautiful sceneries and meaningful calligraphies.
Meaning of the chopsticks 筷子的意义
Some Chinese people believe that the shape of the Chinese chopsticks carries a special meaning. They believe this part of the chopsticks, this square part representing the earth, and this part of the chopsticks representing the heaven or sky, and they symbolize the connection between the earth and the heaven. While not all chopsticks follow this design, but this reflects an ancient belief of the Chinese culture.
Chopsticks 按阴阳筷子和阴阳
Chopsticks comes in a pair as a team, just like the idea of the yin and yang philosophy. Compare chopsticks to the dual forces of yin and yang, emphasizing how each element complements the other to maintain a good balance. So we have to use both sticks together to create the balance, or picking up food just like yin and yang. And also using too little force with chopsticks makes it difficult to pick up food, and also using too much forces makes it difficult to even open chopsticks. And just like us, just like how we people need a good balance and a good manner to communicate with the other people and the family and all the people around us. And now let's see what are the various benefits that chopsticks offers.
Benefits of chopsticks 筷子的好处 Social values 社会价值观 In China, everyone gathers around a big table to eat together, and eating together with the chopsticks makes the feel like a team effort. When family members share meals with the chopsticks, it creates a sense of unity and also helps to strengthen the family bond. Nutritional benefits 营养性益处 Eating with chopsticks needs more carefulness and attention compared to using forks or spoons. So this can help you to be aware of the portion size and food textures. And also, chewing properly is the most important part of the eating, and it makes more easier with chopsticks. And another good thing is it helps with a good digestion. Hygiene 卫生 Chopsticks can contribute to better hygiene, especially when sharing meals. Having our own serving tools lowers the chance of spreading germs.
我个人多双筷子走，不要去气味个咸呀！哎呀，你气啥子嘛？
筷子噻！哎呀，今天
Motor skills and coordination 运动技能和协调。
好，我吃了。是不是用筷子时竟然没记得呀？吃到了吗？
When using chopsticks, needs good control of your fingers and hand-eye coordination. And using them often, especially can help children get better of the concentration and focus. And also researchers proved that using chopsticks helps to improve our memories and raise our intelligence.
Through this video, I hope you'll got to know more about the Chinese chopsticks and their rich culture. If you like this video, subscribe 我的频道，点击 bell button，别忘了点上我的视频。谢谢大家，感谢你们的支持，我们下次再见，加油！